Kia ora! Hello! Kamusta? Para sa mga nagtatanong kung ano nga ba yung mga basic expenses here in New Zealand, here's the following. This is our monthly expenses for a family of 3. So this is just a granny flat. House rent namin is 420 in a week, so times 4, so that's 1,680. This is including the internet and water electric bill. But if you are single or couple, mas makakatipid siguro kung magpa-flatmate muna kayo kasi mas mura. Usually, nagre-range ang flatmate ng single 180 to 200 or 250. Then, sa couple naman, nagre-range yung flatmate ng 250 to 300, something like that. But since kasama na namin here si Matthew, so nag-decide kami na kumuha ng medyo mas malaking bahay. Next is for our groceries naman, nag-range lang siya ng 250 in a week, so times 4, so that's 1,000. If single naman kayo, siguro mas maliit pa dyan ang magiging groceries nyo. Next is for our gasoline, usually nag-range lang siya ng $50 every fortnightly, so times 2, so that's $100. Netflix naman is only $30 a month. Yan, every end of the month yung payment namin dyan. Car loan is 130. This is every fortnightly times 2. So that's 260. And then car insurance, which is $50 every end of the month. Since yung husband ko is employee sa AMI company, so may discount siya, 50% discount. Having a total of $3,120. Dito nga pala kami naka-reside sa may Auckland. Sabi nga nung iba, medyo mataas nga daw yung cost of living dito sa Auckland compared sa ibang lugar dito sa New Zealand. But since parehas naman kaming nagwo-work ng husband ko dito sa Auckland, medyo okay na rin. We have a combined salary of 10,000 New Zealand dollars in a month. And if ileless natin ang tax namin mag-asawa, which is roughly nasa 2,000, something like that. So, may matitira pa rin tayo more or less mga 8,000. And then, i-less nyo na lang kung magpapadala kayo sa Pinas if may naiwan kayong family doon. Again, this is our basic expenses here in New Zealand for a family of 3. Don't forget to click like and share. Follow for more!